simplify each radical expression. Now notice it does not say evaluate or approximate. So if you just go to your calculator and type in the square root of 24 and give a decimal approximation, that is not correct. That is not a simplified form of the expression. Instead, what we're going to do is use a property of radicals. That's called the product property. Of radicals. And what it says is the square root of a times b is equal to the square root of a times the square root of b. Now, the square root of 24 is not simplified because 24 is has a perfect square factor. So let's think of some factorizations of 24. 24 is equal to 1 times 24. It's equal to 2 times 12. It's equal to 3 times 8. It's equal to 4 times 6. There's several different ways I can think of it. Let's forget about the 1 times 24, because that's kind of boring with the 1. But notice, in that last one I wrote, we have in that 4 times 6, notice that 4 is a perfect square. And by perfect squares, what I mean is the perfect squares, 1 squared is 1, 2 squared is 4, 3 squared is 9, 4 squared is 16, 5 squared is 25, 6 squared is 36, 7 squared is 49, 8 squared is 64, 9 squares 81, and 10 squares 100. So there's a few perfect squares. So 4 is a perfect square, and I notice that 4 times 6 is 24. So the square root of 24 can be thought of as the square root of 4 times 6. Now, using that product property of radicals, I can split that up as the square root of 4 times the square root of 6. And the square root of 4 is 2. And so this is the same as 2 times the square root of 6. And we usually don't write we don't put that multiplication dot. We just write 2 square root 6. This is the simplified form of the radical expression. Let's look at another example. 125. The square root of 125. Well, let's see. 125 is 5 times 25. Now I'm going to write that as the square root of 25 times 5. Now why did I choose that factorization? 25 is a perfect square. 25 is a perfect square. Alright, so I'll break it up as the square root of 25 times the square root of 5 using the product rule. And the square root of 25 is 5, so I have 5 times the square root of 5. Exercise C, I've got the square root of 39. 39, let's see. 39 is 1 times 39, but again, that's kind of boring. It's 3 times 13, and that's the only factorization, only other factorization besides 1 times 39. So there's no ways that I can factor 39 involving perfect squares. So we would say that this is simplified.